Alright, so got my battery box bolts down. My battery box is in, it's secure and it's tight. This is my release latch key for my seat, and I've got that down. Once again, my cables are run and all tucked away neat along the sides here and here. Now we install the carburetor with this still loose. So this is going to be kind of complicated. I'm probably going to miss some things, but we'll get to it, and whatever I need to fill in, I'll fill in. So you got to pay attention to this little thing here, tit, your hose, and the way it runs. The carburetor goes here and here. Your fuel hose, which I'm spilling fuel all over the place, is going to go up and connect in through here. There's going to be a bunch of cables that come up across the front here. I've got to install my throttle return and pull cables here, here, and here. I've got to feed my choke cable through that gap and swing it around in here so it comes out here, and I got to hook that up. That's for fuel tank, and that's for fuel tank. Okay, so you've got to make sure that your O-ring clips are in the right spot when you screw them in. We're not going to tighten it down on this step though, that I do. And these are the carburetors. So this is the choke cable that I was talking about. I've got to attach two cables here to this carburetor, which is the top one. This is the bottom one, where I got to attach the fuel here. And these are the cables that I have to run. And it goes in there something like that. So now I definitely have to put the camera down to put this in. So I will get back to you and show you the final product and how I was able hopefully to weave it in. But this goes in pretty gently. You don't have to tug and pull. This is the lungs of the system. Very sensitive equipment. You don't want to be banging this stuff around. You're going to lose all your adjustments. So this should go in nice and easy, and I'll show you how I did it when I'm done.